Hi guys, welcome back to EFi Gaming. So basically today I want to share a tutorial how to use this USB adapter Wi-Fi, which is D-Link DWA-131, to connect our Hackintosh to internet, because as we know that our default Wi-Fi card is not working, so we need to have alternative for that. Okay, so first thing, don't forget to subscribe to EFi Gaming. Click the subscribe button below and also the ring bell button. So now, in order to make sure that this thing works, we need to download several things. I will provide the link below. So basically, we will have these three things to show with you guys. The first one is wireless USB adapter installer. Okay, and then we will have RTWLANU1827.cax and also RTWLANU.cax. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we also need to use Clover configurator. I will also provide the link below. Okay, open Clover configurator, click mount EFi here. Okay, mount the partition of EFi. After that, open it. Okay, then we go to our EFi folder, Clover, cax, other, and then copy these two cax files that I have provided below. Just put it there. Okay, it is done. Now what we need to do is we open the installer. Okay, just click continue and then continue. Tick the wireless USB adapter Clover. Click on install. Put in your password. Continue installation. Okay. Wait until it's finished. Okay, now it is installed. So now we need to plug the USB first and then click restart. For those who did not yet watch my previous video about how to basically replace the EFi folder to boot to Clover by default, and also how to make the bootable USB, and also how to basically install step by step, so just click on the link above here. I will provide the playlist of everything related to Hackintosh. Now we boot back to our Mac OS. Alright, so we put our password. So basically, wait first and then we will see some icon here about the Wi-Fi. Okay, now it is open. Now we can see the network. Okay, I will try to connect to my network. Alright, oh wait. Okay, now my Wi-Fi is working. Try to open Safari. Okay. Sorry for the slow internet. Alright, now it is working. So this is my channel. As you can see, it is working well, connecting to Wi-Fi by using the D-Link DWA-131. So I think that's it for today. So I will basically continue to make another video about basically some tips on the post installation for this laptop basically. So until we meet in the next video, stay tuned. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe EFi Gaming. Okay, bye.